Okay, y'all. Today we're gonna be taking out this ugly Jeep steering wheel. All you need really is a socket wrench, preferably a 10mm to unhook the battery, and an Allen key to stick in this little hole right here, and this little hole over here to get the steering wheel off. But first you gotta unhook the battery, because if you don't unhook the battery, you're subject to have this airbag blow up in your face. So you gotta make sure you unhook the battery before you take any of this off. All right, you about to go unhook that battery. All right, y'all. Battery up under here, up under the passenger seat. Just pull this little cover off right here. And there goes your battery. So we're gonna unhook this battery real fast. Now that the battery is unhooked, all the power is shut off to the car. Now you don't have to worry about that airbag blowing up in your face. All right, with the steering wheel, it's a little hole right here. You use the Allen key to put in there, and it's a little pin that you push, and that pin pops out the airbag. The only hard part is you just gotta find it. Let me do this, and I'll get back with y'all once I get it popped out. All right. Okay, y'all. There we go. Got the airbag off. So now I just gotta pop off these wires, and we had the airbag off. All right, hold on. Just like that, the airbag is out. These two wires are what control the airbag. So you gotta make sure you put these in the right spot when you put it back. They're color coded, so there shouldn't be no reason for you to make that big a mistake by mixing them up. So everything else is just screw out and unplug. So unplug these two wires, unplug the wires to the controls, and take this center bolt out. So once I get this center bolt out, we can take it out and change everything over. All right, get back with y'all in a minute. Just like that, y'all, steering wheel is out. So now I gotta take all this stuff out of here and switch it over to here. So once I do all that, get the steering wheel ready, and I'll show y'all what it look like when I'm done. All right, let's see what's up. Okay, y'all, we got the steering wheel put in, got everything hooked up, everything working. Now that's all I gotta do is put the airbag back on, and it'll be all the way together. Trying to figure out if I'm gonna be able to use this SRT airbag or just use the regular Jeep airbag, because this airbag is different than the newer models, so probably won't be able to put that one on this one. We'll have to get a whole nother one in order to put that airbag on here, that airbag cover. So I'm probably just gonna use the Jeep cover instead. Let me finish putting this on when I get back to y'all. Okay, y'all, and here we go. Finished result. Steering wheel in, all put back together, everything. Nah, let's turn it on, make sure everything's still working like it's supposed to. And we got action. Everything worked like it's supposed to. Cruise control, cancel, set. All right, and that's it. Everything good to go. Steering wheel in. Everything tight, just like it originally was. All right, y'all. Y'all like the video? Like, comment, subscribe. Let me know what y'all think. Also, I want to give a big thanks to everybody that watched my videos, watching the process, seeing everything I do every time I post a video. Much appreciation to y'all. If it wasn't for y'all, I wouldn't even be doing this. Well, I probably would, because this is what I love to do anyway. But I wouldn't be doing it on YouTube. But yeah, like, comment, subscribe. Let me know what y'all think, and I'll get back to y'all. All right, peace.